With only 1 potato and 3 eggs, your dinner will be ready. This recipe is perfect for days when we have little time. I'll start by grating a big potato on the bigger side. Once the potato is grated, I will reserve it. In a bowl I will add 3 eggs. At this moment I would like to know, from which country or city you look at us, to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Novi Gaviola from Philippines, and for Watkins Makati from Colorado. Thank you for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. Now I will season with half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a pinch of black pepper, half an onion finely chopped, a tablespoon of dehydrated parsley. And I will beat very well until the eggs break completely. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means that you are liking this recipe, so leave us here below the following message: I love the potato, to send you a very special greeting. In a frying pan I will add a little oil, and with a kitchen brush I will spread it very well. Then I will add the grated potatoes I had reserved and spread it well with a kitchen spatula. Now I'll add a pinch of salt, a pinch of ground black pepper. I will cover and let cook over low heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, as you can see, our potatoes are already cooked. I'm going to add the mixture of the eggs that we have seasoned. And with a kitchen spatula, I'm going to scatter the eggs all over the pan. I will cover again and let it cook for 10 minutes, but it is important to keep the stove on low heat to avoid burning. After the time and that the egg is cooked, with a plate I will turn it over so that the other side is cooked. But before covering the pan I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, and I'm going to spread it very well. Guys, this recipe with potato and eggs is very easy to make and is super delicious. I am sure everyone in your family will like the result. Then I will place slices of ham until the sauce is completely covered. I'm also going to add some grated mozzarella cheese, but you can use any cheese, which melts well. And finally I will add a little dehydrated parsley, spreading it between the cheese to give it a special touch. I will cover again and let it cook for 2 minutes or until the cheese melts. And already our delicious recipe today, with potato and eggs, is ready. Look how tasty it looks. Although I would like you to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 to know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my